Right, so we've got this Kia Stinger completely stock. He's come in for our stage 4 package, plus the intercooler, plus the catch can, plus our intake ducts as well. So this is going to be a really good combination, really good kit, and I can't wait to actually get this one on the dyno, film it and see exactly how much power we end up with, because I know it's sitting around 220 kilowatts currently. I'm going to bump those figures right up and try and get over that 330 kilowatt mark, but every car's different. We'll have to wait to find out. Oh yeah, intake's off, blow off valve's off. Look at that, smashing it out. So that's the factory intercooler just there, and we've got the AirTech intercooler to go straight on. So front bar's off, we're getting the intake ducts removed, and we'll be putting the Dynomotive intake ducts in as well while the front bar's all off. And the AirTech cooler's just down here. Now these of course are 50% larger than the factory ones. That's why we use them. They bolt up and they utilise the factory pipework. Well, factory pipework is more than sufficient. We do so many Kia Stingers here that we actually see all sorts of intercoolers, all sorts of pipework. There is major issues with pretty much every aftermarket brand that we see come through that have aftermarket pipework on there, where they just keep on blowing off all the time. To the point now, when they come in, it's just one of those things that as soon as we put on the dyno and go to tune it, it just starts blowing off pipes everywhere. So the factory stuff is more than sufficient. That's why we use the AirTech. And that's all that we've got on our 700 horsepower Kia Stinger as well, with the factory pipework still. So it's more than sufficient. There's no need to spend the extra money to get shiny pipework when the factory stuff does a better job anyway. So just bear that in mind when you're going to look at aftermarket components for these things. Dump pipes, and we'll be getting stuck into the rest of the exhaust system very soon. So our intake ducts go just up there. That's the factory one there, which will be removing very shortly. There, Dynomotive carbon fibre intake ducts. There we go. Yep. Oh yeah. So we've got the stockies versus our ones just there. So they're completely different. Obviously ours are completely open, and ours are 110% larger than the factory intake ducts there. Also available online. So catch can is mounted, one side of the whole air intake is mounted, but Turbo Smart dry valve's mounted. Yeah, the Stinger package is coming along. It's our stage 4 kit. Not long now until we get it on the dyno. Just got to bolt on the exhaust. How good! So here we got the Kia Stinger Dynomotive bimodal exhaust system. You can see there's the motor there, and here's the motor on this side with the Dynomotive mufflers, stainless steel TIG purge welded right through to the center section here, and then we've got the front section just here. Now this system, there's a part number right there, is made in Bayswater, Victoria, and it's also an odd size too. People are curious whether it's 3 or 2.5 inch. It's actually 3 inch to here, and then 2.5 inch for the rear. Now that is to get rid of drone inside the cabin without decreasing the amount of power that we can get out of it. So if you want the best of the best dyno tested and engineered exhaust systems, this is what you need to do. Don't stuff around with anything else. Do it right the first time. Okay, so we got the Kia Stinger with the stage 4 package. You know all the shit because you've been watching this video. I'm going to go through the dyno results that you just saw right then, because this thing has come up so well. Let's have a look. We can have a look here. This is standard as delivered in the green. So that's torque, that's power, that's torque after, and that's power after. So if we have a look up here, came in producing 222.9 kilowatts at the rear wheels, 368.6 Newton meters of torque. These are pretty much average figures for a Kia Stinger completely stock. After we fit all the components to it, live tuned it, you have gained nearly 120 kilowatts. It's now sitting at 340 rear wheel kilowatts. It's gone from 368 Newton meters to 577 Newton meters. That's nearly 210 Newton meter torque increase. So this thing is going to jump off the mark, obviously with that increase in torque here. You know, it's gone from effectively, was at the bottom end of the rev range there, it's gone from 300 Newton meters to a bit over 450 Newton meters straight off the mark at 1500 RPM. So if you live in Australia, what you need to do, pick up the phone, give me a call, jump on my Facebook, eBay, yeah, because you can book in through eBay. Jump on our website, give us a call, and we can tailor make a package to suit you. You don't need to go as extreme as this. You know, this stage 4 package is really, really popular. We have more bolt-ons that we can do as well. But if you don't want to go that far, all you need to do, get in contact and we can tailor make a package to suit you. Either way, I love the Kia Stingers. They come up fantastic. They're such a good car, value for money, plus the bolt-on mods. This thing, absolutely crazy. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you follow us on TikTok, give me a like, post comments, happy to answer questions, and yeah, get one of these packages into your system because it is so good. Anyway, peace.